Hello, friends. Good evening. I hope everyone is enjoying their evening and enjoying their time with family. So, just wanted to make one small video on stage analysis. This is something I recently seen, so I thought, to share with you, group members. In fact, I have already shared this one in my previous video, and I have shared the uh, a chart also. But once again, I just wanted to uh, make a small video and explain you how you can do the stage analysis of any stock with the help of 30-week moving average. So, based on my experience and the back testing, I found that 30-week moving average is plays a very important role, and it helps uh, very much into stage analysis. So, as you know, uh, in technicals, whenever you want to analyze any stock, uh, so there are stages. So stage one, which is basically the consolidation zone, then stage two, so where the actual rally will happen, where the entire trend will happen, then the stage 3, which is basically called as distribution, where all the people who has purchased this stock, mainly the big people, will start distributing the stock. And then the stage 4, so the stage 4 is basically the downtrend of the stock, wherein usually it has been seen that unfortunately the poor retail people will be stuck, because at the top, as the stock will keep on going up, everyone, all the retailers will start buying that stock because of the FOMO, and considering that there is a big rally is there. And at one point the stock will start to consolidate on the top area, and then the distribution will start, and which usually retailers will not understand, and they will keep on buying the stock, even considering that the stock price is coming down, and they will get an good opportunity. But unfortunately, then suddenly you will see there is a big fall will happen, and then everyone is stuck. So just to explain that one, how you can do it, the stage analysis with the help of 30 week moving average. So here is the classic example of India Mart uh, chart, so which covers and explains very beautifully how the stage analysis can be done. So here, if you see, this stock has been registered in July 2019 at a price of 1329, and then till here, which is July 20. So July 19 to July 20. So almost a year, the price is from 1300 to 2400. So almost it doubled from here to here. So still you can consider this as a stage 1, where the actual consolidation was happening. And then the actual bull run started from here, July 20, which is just after the COVID. So from here, the stock was 2420 to stock went till 9800. So this is almost like a 300%, 314%, 15% rally the stock has given. And then you see this was the top made 9950, so you can consider as a 10,000. And then the stock came down, took a support of 30 moving average, consolidated, again went up, and then again came down. So the first sign is, it when it came, it took a support, and when it started going up, it didn't break this high of 9920. Before that only the stock started to come down. So as I said, so this is, you can consider as a complete, uh, if I want to mark it, where is the tool? Okay, So this is complete, you can consider as a stage 1. So this is till here. So once this uh, breakout happened, then this is your complete from here to here. Here to here. This is the complete stage 2. And then you see this, the stage 3 started. So where the stock is consolidating, and in this stage even the stock took a support of week 30 and then didn't break the ATH and came down. And how to notify or how to identify, yes, really there is a stage 3 has been started. So ideally, when the stage 1 is happening, you will see this 30 moving average, it will be flat. There will be no steps. You see in these steps when the stock is going in stage 2, the steps are forming upwards. So that shows that the stock is in a very strong upward movement. The staircase is going upstairs. So that is a sign that stock is going up. When the distribution starts at the top, these steps will suddenly, you will see it vanishes. First of all, you will see these steps will start becoming smaller and smaller and smaller, and then the line will start forming a flat, as in this case. And after that, you will see that the stock, it went down, again it came up, but it took a resistance of 30-week moving average and then started going down. And then after some time, you will see that the staircase which was going up, then the staircase started going down. So ideally, once the stock closes below the 30 moving average, so that is the Lakshman Rekha for you. Whatsoever happens, you should exit from that stock, book your profit or loss, and then sit aside till the time the stock comes up above the 30 moving average. So after that, if you see here, it is 25th of October 2021. Till then, the stock till here 2020 July 22. So almost 8-9 months the stock was down, and from here to here, so stock came almost 52% down. Yeah, from uh, here also, if I take from 9,500 to 3,700, so from here to here, which is almost 61% down. So stock became less than half, from there. And then you see this was the bottom made on July 7th, and then this bottom never broke actually. Yeah, and the stock started going up, and it closed above 30 moving average. So if you see this, the staircase which was going down, and you see this, the staircase, the size or the length of the staircase is bigger, bigger, bigger. And when the stock started to consolidate, you know, these steps started becoming smaller and smaller and smaller, and then the line almost became flat. That steps, either the steps are not either down or up. The line is completely flat. So when actually this happened here on this day, January 11th or so, if you can go and check my post, I put up a very clear post about this stage analysis about India Mart, and I told that stage 2 seems that stage 2 is starting. Very clear evident that flat line is that the stock is not going to fall further. It is in the consolidation zone, it is in the stage 1, and then from here the slowly the stock started to move up. So once this stage 1 finishes, how to identify whether the stage 2 is started or not? So suddenly you will see that steps which were flat will start becoming up and up and up, you know and as this stock will go higher, the length between these steps will start increasing. So as the length increases, that shows that the stock is more and more in a momentum. So see this, we can't say that it will keep on straightway going like this in coming days. No, it might come down, it might go up. So it will be just zigzag way. It is it will go up, but there is very less likely chance the stock will start falling as the way it has fallen here. Yeah, as the stock came from 9,500 to 3,700, like that from here we, there is a very less likely chance that stock might say go to 3,000, 2,500 down. Chances are very less. It might consolidate here, then little bit go up, again consolidate, again go up, the same way as it has happened here also. Like here, the stock went up, then the consolidation, almost the consolidation from September 20 to December, so 2 3 months consolidation, then going up, then consolidation, then going up. So same thing, like here also, if you see, the stock is coming down, then going up, then consolidation, then going up. So that way, it gives a very clear visual uh, way to understand what is happening. So you might say that, okay, this is one stock where you explained, the thing. Is there any other stocks where we are seeing the same pattern is coming? Yes, there are some stocks which I have seen where the actual same pattern or same analysis you can apply. One of them is uh, this kind of pattern. I'm seeing most of the IT stocks. See, this is FCL. This was the, you see this? When the stock is in a consolidation zone, see this, the line is completely flat. There are no steps, not down, not up. The stock is in a continuous consolidation. Here the stock broken from 39 level and then went from 39 to almost 500%. So that is, this is basically called as stage 2. And then you see, then the stock started coming down, and then when it started going up, it didn't break this ATH level. Before that only it started coming down. So that means that the stock is already exhausted, and now there is no chance of stock going up. And then here the stock came down, and then if you see here, slightly from here, which is December 24th to February. So almost 2 months, you see this, there is a change in the curve here. The steps which were going up, then slightly it became 2 months, it became flat, and then the step direction changed from upstairs to downward stairs. From here, and see that same pattern, exact same pattern. This came, it tried to went up and exact took the resistance like India Mart and then started coming down, and the steps direction changed. And from here to here, almost 50% down. So from price which is like 189 to price came to 95, so almost less half. And then the stock started consolidating, and you see this, the steps started becoming smaller, 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 and now the line is completely flat. And you see now slowly, after the line is flat, you can see this, you see this, the steps are now becoming upward direction. And at the same time, if you see here, our senior kg, our junior kg, everything has given a buy signal also. So when you coordinate your stage analysis with our setup, you will able to get the stock, or you will be able to catch the stock at a very early stage. Say example here, when this candle happened, and see this, on the first day itself, on 6th April, our senior KG gave you a buy, and from here the stock is already 6% up. Yeah, so this is how you need to understand the stage analysis and study the stage analysis. If I want to show you any other stock, uh, usually I want to show you, let's see, LTTS. See this? The stock was again same pattern. Stock is in stage 1, line is flat, stock going up, completely upward stairs, then the stock started coming down, downward stairs, and you see now the line is completely flat. The line is completely flat, and it started going up now. Same thing you can apply to the index also. So let's see IT index. See why I am seeing the same pattern in lot of IT stocks is the same pattern you will see in the index also. See this complete flat line. From here the breakout happened from June 20 to Jan 2022. So almost 2 years there was an uptrend, then the downtrend, stage 4, and then stage 1. See this line has, the IT index line has completely become flat. Yeah. So and the stock is going up. So I can't say that because right now the IT index is trading below the 30 week moving average, and it is taking this support line. You see this one, two, three, four times support line, 2670 support it is taking. So I don't know still how many days or week it will be in the same line and then it will start going up. So ideally, once it breaks this one, so that will be the confirmed uh, trend change as per the Dow theory you can say, or as per whatever the technical study you say. Once this line, this level of 31,340 breaks, or 31,350 breaks, then actually the trend uh, change we can say happened in the IT. But right now the same consolidation or the stage 1 pattern you will see in lot of IT stocks. So same thing you can apply in other stocks also. Study them and see that the stock is in which stage, and then accordingly take a decision. Thank you guys. Hope this video will help you in your analysis. Thank you.